We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit. Now we'll take you up to the unit.
Hey everyone, I'm about to show you a one-bedroom unit in one of the best apartment complex. So the unit I'm about to show you is located at the back of this building, and you come here and it's a one-bedroom unit. Here you have the parking area. And the unit is D4. Here is the apartment I'm about to show you. It's just a very nicely renovated apartment. The first thing you come in is you have a brand new floor here, living area, and you have closet space, big closet space. Actually, they just finished up the work here, so they will remove this stuff out of the way. And this is the living room. You have the window looking out to the parking area. You have this is the door I just came in. And the next room I want to show you is the kitchen. Very nice kitchen. You have here a pantry here. You have very nice countertop. It's a lot of storage space. You have range hood. You have a brand new gas stove and egg oven. You have fridge. You have here a window with a natural light. A sink. Beautiful floor. High ceiling. Then the next room will be where you have washer and dryer, a stack back washer and dryer, and a brand new machine here. Washer and dryer. And you have a walk-in closet here, just in front of the machine here. On the right, you have big closet space. Then when you turn to the right, all the way there you have a bedroom. Here on the left you have the bathroom. And the bathroom has a beautiful new floor tile and very nice bathtub, shower combo. You have a tile all over the wall. You have a medicine cabinet with a beautiful mirror, brand new sink. We have a toilet here. Nice. And we have hallway that take you to the last room I want to show you, which is a bedroom. It's a huge bedroom that you need to have. This is light. Nice floor. In the bedroom we have closet space. Nice closet space. Alright, that is the parking area. Okay, I just showed you a one-bedroom unit at 10 Montgomery Ave, Bala, Cynwyd. Thank you for watching.